Well, personal doctor does not mean going beyond the jurisdiction of the High Court of Uganda. The High Court of Uganda its jurisdiction stops within the boundaries of Uganda. And therefore you need to go back, Honorable Chagulanyi needs to go back to court, needs to go back to go to his lawyers to read the bail conditions properly, to see whether it was a blanket. The interpretation of the police is that that bail wasn't a blanket. He must comply with the immigration rules of Uganda. Namely that a suspect on such a case, if he wants to travel beyond the jurisdiction of court, must get a definite bail term, specific, that travel beyond the jurisdiction of court, because if he fails to return, who will be responsible? Now, secondly, both of them have alleged that they were mistreated during arrest, tortured, inflicted bodily and internal injuries. If government is to conduct a thorough, credible, transparent investigation and take forward this inquiry, look for the perpetrators and punish them, the government rules in Uganda, the law, is that you must subject these people to the government medical examination at the most competent place, which is Mulago Hospital. The reason they were taken to the complex of Kirudu. For Honorable Zake is a little different, because Honorable Zake, having been arrested in Arua in that fracas, he said he was not feeling well. He was taken to a clinic from where perhaps he connived with the others still at large. So he has been a suspect on the run, wanted by the police. Police indeed traced him in Rubaga Hospital in Kampala. Police made numerous attempts to go and interview him, to extract statement so that he could be arraigned in court alongside the other 33. He didn't cooperate. Rubaga Hospital administration did not cooperate. Only yesterday evening, police to find that he was trying to leave the country. Therefore, police, he became a suspicious person and he was arrested. First of all, he had escaped, and therefore he needed to be arrested to be taken to face justice. Secondly, if he was honest, if he was genuine, he should have told the police, I am here, I want to go for treatment. If you want me, I will come back. He did not do that. And therefore his arrest was, one, for purposes of bringing him to court. Secondly, to examine him if he's fit to stand trial so that he's charged. 3, he had also made a similar claim that he had been tortured and obtained serious injuries. And therefore for the police to take this matter forward in investigation and bring perpetrators to book, has to subject him. Now, I have learned that they have refused to cooperate with medical authorities at Mulago. That is very strange for somebody who claims to be very sick not to cooperate in an attempt, in an effort to save his life. I'm saying from the reports we are hearing is that through their lawyers, is that they have locked themselves. They don't want medical personnel of Mulago to have access to them, which is very, very unfortunate. And for me, perhaps it points to other underhand things they are up to, mischief. The most competent authority that court can rely on is a government medical facility. And that is Mulago National Referral Hospital. Anybody, and you have heard them attempting to discredit who are these UPDF doctors or medical personnel, who are these police personnel, and so on and so forth. And therefore it is necessary, since it is police investigating them, subject them to the National Referral Medical System. If they do this, they can go out for either business or for further inquiry of their medical condition. And then they can map that against the one of Mulago. Should they come back and make a legal claim against government, government then would have its own record from Mulago National Referral Hospital to rely on.
So